Hey, so today we're going to talk about Helium 10 price and pricing in UAE, United Arab Emirates, and I'm going to share the best deals for Helium 10 in the description with you for Helium 10 in UAE. So click on the link. It's going to lead you to this landing page where you'll be able to get the best discounts and coupon codes for Helium 10, as well as a free account and trial for Helium 10. So today we're going to translate the dollar value of Helium 10 to dirhams. So if you're in the UAE, it's going to be a bit more comfortable for you to understand it in your own currency. Another thing before we start, please, it's going to be good for you, I promise. Helium 10 tutorials playlist in the description for you with over 233 videos and over 3,600 views of that playlist. Check out the playlist to make the most out of Helium 10. Also, I would recommend using my channel, Vova Evan. Great to meet you. I'm a seller on Amazon since 2016. And here you'll be able to use the spyglass here or the magnifying glass and then just type in, for example, Helium 10 product research, and you're going to find all our videos about Helium 10 product research. In total, we have over 230 videos, so you can either use the tutorials playlist or you can use kind of my channel to search for videos. So let's get to things right now. Again, the best discounts for Helium 10 are in the description. We have three types of plans for Helium 10. Starter, Platinum, Diamond. You can pay monthly or you can pay annually. If you pay annually, it's once per year. And of course, you save more money if you pay once per year. But let's start from the monthly. Starter, Platinum, Diamond. Generally, I would recommend you to use the Platinum or Diamond plan. Starter is also nice because it grants you access to kind of the extension of Helium 10, but also the Freedom Ticket course, which can explain to you how to sell on Amazon. It's a really nice course, but the starter is kind of limited. I would recommend you using Platinum or Diamond. Myself, I'm on the Diamond plan, but even the Platinum is quite good. So let's talk about the price and pricing. So $39, if we translate it to dirhams, $39 is going to be 143 dirhams. Okay, so that's the price of this starter without a discount. We're going to apply the discounts in a bit. So 39 for the starter, that's what we said, 143 dirhams, 99 for the platinum. So that would be about 363 dirhams for the platinum plan. Of course, bear in mind that the prices of the currency might change, so you can check it in the day that you're checking, but I'm just making it a bit more comfortable for you. Of course, all the discounts in the description are going to be valid always to save money as well. And we have also the Diamond plan, which is $279, and that will be equivalent to 1,024 dirhams per month. Of course, that's without the discount. So what are the options for discount? So the first option that I really recommend is Vova 10. This discount is going to give you 10% off for every month forever. So this discount, as long as you're a member and friend of Helium 10, you're going to save 10% off monthly. Hence, I really recommend this discount. It works for all the plans, starter, platinum, or diamond. So now instead of 39 is going to be 36. So $36 is going to be about 133 dirhams per month for the starter, $90 for the platinum, which is 330 dirhams, or $252 is going to be 925 dirhams for the kind of diamond plan, which is nice savings. So that's 10% off every month. The other option is Vova 6M20. That's the second coupon code I have for you. And this one does not work with a starter plan, unfortunately. It does give you 20% off for 6 months, though, for platinum or diamond. So that's a bit more savings, but then after 6 months, it just stops working. So in this case, you're going to pay $80 for platinum, which is going to be about 293 dirhams per month for platinum with this 20% off for 6-month discount, or 224 for the diamond, which is going to be about 822 dirhams per month for the diamond. And then after 6 months, you're going to go back to the full price. Hence, I recommend you really the Vova 10 code, because long term, if you're going to be 2 years with Helium 10, 3 years. I've been using it since 2017-ish, I believe, Helium 10, and we're still using it. So on long term, you're going to save more money. Now, what else is possible is the annual pricing. What does that mean? That means with the monthly, you're paying once per month, Habibi, right? But if you use the yearly plan, then what's going to happen is the next thing. It's going to be 27 per month for starter. So let's see. Instead of being 36, it's 27. But 27 x 12. So let's do a quick calculation. 27 x 12 is going to be $324 that you're going to pay for the starter kind of yearly. So once per year payment. So that's with a discount. And let's see it a bit more clearly. So if we pay $39, so to see how much you're saving with the year, if you're paying 39 x 12, that's going to be 39 x 12. That's going to be $468 if you're just paying monthly for the starter without any discount, right? If you apply the code and you use the annual pricing, Okay, the code gives you kind of an extra free month for the yearly plan. You're paying only 27 per month for 12 months. So instead of paying, what was that, $468, which is, let's see how much that in dirhams. That's going to be 1,718 dirhams once per year for the starter. If you use kind of the discounts and the yearly payment, it's going to be 27 per month. So let's see, 27x 12. So it's going to be 324 dirhams. In this case, instead of being 1,718, that's going to be only 1,190 dirhams. Okay, so that's big savings, but you have to pay once per year for the whole price. Yes, you pay a bit more in kind of one time, but you save more money. That's with a starter plan. Again, the starter is nice because you get the Chrome extension, you get the course, so you can start kind of with this to try out Helium 10 and all that. Again, all the best discounts are in the description. Check out the link. You're going to get to that link. And you can kind of quick get started today, start with a free trial there. Okay, you don't need to pay straight away. You can pay later. You can just use the free trial to try and start out, but you have the discounts there too. So that's about the starter. So for the yearly plan, how much is going to be for Platinum? So it's going to be 72x12. So let's kind of count it. Let's count it again to see how much we save also without anything. It's like 99x12. So 99x12, that's if we normally paying for the Platinum, right? That's $1,118. That's going to be about 4,363 dirhams once per year for the Platinum plan, which is still fairly priced and you get a discount. However, you can save if you use the code VOVA10. By the way, for the yearly plans, the VOVA10 and the VOVA6 M20 give you the same discount. So that's interesting. They don't really give you difference in discounts for the yearly plan. So in this case, if we apply the code and we see annual pricing for Platinum, it's going to be $72 per month. So instead of being 1,188, we're going to have it on 72x12. So 72x12 is $864. And instead of paying 4,363 dirhams, it's going to be 3,173 dirhams for the yearly Platinum 1 per year payment with the discounts and the once per year payment. So that's Platinum. Pretty big savings with the discounts, as you can see. And let's do the last one. Platinum, normally 279. Bear in mind, prices might change with time. Maybe you're watching it like 3 years from now. So check out also the pricing page in the description. I should have mentioned that, but you have this pricing page in the description if you kind of want to follow along and see the up-to-date price. So 279, let's see, that would be $279 x 12. That's $3,348. So usually if you just pay normally monthly for the Diamond plan, it's going to be about 12,296 dirhams. If you just pay monthly kind of for the Diamond plan, just month per month, 279. Of course, in dollars. So fully a year of 279x12, it's going to be in dirhams, about 12,296. But if we apply the discount and use the kind of yearly pricing, so we click on apply, it's going to be only 207 per month x12. So let's see, 207 x12. So it's going to be $2,484 yearly. So let's see how much we save. So it's going to be, instead of 12,296 dirhams with a discount for the Diamond plan, it's going to be only 9,123 dirhams for a year if you would pay once per year for the Diamond plan. So again, all the best discounts are in the description. Price and pricing in UAE. Of course, the UAE to dollar or the dirham to dollar might change. So you can kind of check it in the right time for yourself. But that's kind of pretty much the right monetary equivalent of dollar to dirham these days. So check out the best discounts in the description. Check out the Helium 10 tutorials playlist in the description to make the most out of Helium 10. Over 230 videos, different videos. We have inside this playlist, we have a full free course for Helium 10 listing optimization, whatnot. And use my channel and the search bar on the channel to use Helium 10. Like, let's say you want Helium 10 keyword research, right? Product research. We have almost everything covered for you. So we have how to use Cerebro. We have almost 50-minute tutorial that shows you how to use Helium 10 Cerebro for keyword research. Enjoy it all. It's all in the description. Save big on Helium 10. Enjoy the discounts, free account, free trial. It was a pleasure doing it for you, Habibi here. Be well, live a long and happy life, and let's go. Thank you.